If you want to duplicate an object multiple times in a straight line with exact spacing in Photopea, this tutorial will show you the fastest way to do it. This is a super useful trick for creating repeated shapes, icons, patterns, design elements, and clean aligned layouts without manually copying and moving the same object over and over again. And if you want more Photopea tips like this, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. First, open your project in Photopea and look at the Layers panel. Select the element you want to multiply, because Photopea will repeat the exact layer you choose. This works best when your object is already placed the way you want it, and you're ready to start building a straight array. Next, perform the initial manual duplication. On Windows, press Ctrl+Alt+T. On Mac, press Command+Option+T. This opens the free Transform tool and creates a copy at the same time, which is what starts the array process. Once the transform box appears, drag the object to the exact spot where you want the second item in the array to sit. Try to be precise here, because the distance you set now will be repeated every single time. For this step, do not rotate the object and do not resize it yet. You want to keep the movement clean and consistent. After you place it in the right position, press Enter to confirm that first movement. Now comes the powerful part. To repeat the array, press Ctrl+Shift+Alt+T on Windows, or Command+Shift+Option+T on Mac. Every time you use this shortcut, Photopea instantly creates another copy and shifts it by the exact same distance as the last move. That means you can build a perfectly spaced line of duplicates in just a few seconds. If you need more copies, just keep pressing the shortcut again and again until your array is complete. This is especially helpful when you want repeated arrows, dots, buttons, decorative icons, or evenly spaced design elements. The best part is that the spacing stays consistent, so your design looks professional and organized without extra effort. If you ever make a mistake, just undo and try again with a cleaner starting distance. A small adjustment in the first move will affect every copy that follows, so take a moment to set it up correctly. Once you get used to this shortcut, you'll be able to create arrays in Photopea much faster than duplicating layers manually. It's one of those time-saving tricks that can really improve your workflow, whether you're editing social media graphics, thumbnails, mockups, or simple layout designs. So to recap, select your layer, use Ctrl+Alt+T or Command+Option+T for the first duplicate, move it to set the spacing, press Enter, and then use Ctrl+Shift+Alt+T or Command+Shift+Option+T to repeat the array. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe for more Photopea tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.